Cabinet Minister overseeing the PHE Department, Marcuise N Marak, stated that with effective fund utilization, the government aims to achieve 100% water connections by March 2024 under the Jal Jeevan Mission. Despite challenges like land issues and infrastructure construction, efforts are underway to complete the work before the monsoon. Marak mentioned addressing these challenges in a review meeting to be held with the Chief Minister.
4,80,039 households in entire state, and in percentage we have reached the 73.69 percentage. So we are progressing. Actually, there were issues of land issues. Land issues were there. Most of the landowners, they were not allowing some projects to construct the tanks. In some situations they were not allowing the dams to be constructed. So that issue is now resolved. Now we have started the work, most of the work, but in some of the projects, we are hung up because of the power connection issues. So that issue still persists. We are trying to flag it to Honorable Chief Minister again. We will have a review meeting from his level, so then we will try to flag it.
So
we are addressing that issues also.
What are you doing in that?
Exactly, I don't remember the issue, but then Nikikuna was having some problem for which we have already sanctioned the project. It will be done now very soon. We are looking for 100% connections by March this year, but let's see what we can do. Fund utilization is also good. Whatever we receive from the government of India, we make payments accordingly, and then it's good. Implementation part is also good. 51,412 households target, 73.69 percentage.
So
I'm expecting, I was expecting it before Christmas, but it could not done during Christmas. But now, in the January also, most of the time we have tried to inquire from the division levels. The work is on going full swing, but some issues, some of the works, the terrain is such that is very difficult. But we are doing our level best.
Is it before?
Definitely before monsoon, we will be trying to complete the works.
Regarding the upcoming MP elections in the state, Marak expressed the NPP's expectation of Agatha Sangma winning with government support. However, he acknowledged the competition's intensity, citing Saleng Sangma, the Congress sitting MLA, as a strong opponent.
BJP, we have seen in the last assembly elections, they were two and they become two again. So therefore, we can come to the conclusion that it's not acceptable in our state. Well, his candidature is also not acceptable in entire state, entire Garo Hills districts. He was there in Tura for some time. As a MDC, he fought there. And we have seen his results also during MLA elections. So therefore, no question of getting disturbed from his candidature.